I'm Key and welcome to Key Can't Eat. And today we are eating soul food cooked by my mom. We have some macaroni and cheese, candy yams, rice with gravy, and some pork chops cooked in ranch seasoning. It was fried and then smothered in the gravy. And to drink, I know a lot of people think that when you see this color it's beer. Wrong. I do not drink beer. This is A&W cream soda. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Oh, it's good. It's been a while since I've had that kind of soda. Yes, it has. Can y'all see that steam? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to blow today because I don't need my mouth burning. And y'all, I did a taste test just to see if I would need to add anything. On point. Good job, mama. They say when you want a good home cooked meal, you either go to your mother or your grandparents. Well, rest in peace to my grandmother. She's no longer here. But my mom, I knew she was going to throw down in the kitchen. Ooh, you can taste the ranch. The ranch seasoning, it's pretty good. Now, I'm not really a big fan of macaroni, but I can eat it today. For the purpose of my video and making my plate look pretty, I can go ahead and eat it today. And also, the song of the day is Hello by Lyrica Anderson. Do y'all know who Lyrica is? A1's wife. They just had a cute little baby. I think his name is Ocean. He is so cute. I don't know who he looks like though. He doesn't look like, to me, he doesn't look like A1, nor Lyrica, nor Lyrica's mom, or definitely not A1 mom. No shade though, I'm just saying. That is so good. How was y'all Valentine's Day? I seen that there was a lot of social media going on. When I got back home, you have some people that go all out for Valentine's Day, and then you have some people that say that Valentine's Day is every day. It was just a mess. Unnecessary dramas is really what it was. I know some people don't like the clanking of the plate. I'm really sorry. I try not to do it. I really try not to do it, but I'm also trying to get to my food, okay? Give me a break. What, did you get everything you wanted for Valentine's Day, or did you even put in a request at all? What was it like? I really want to know. It's crazy how romantic holidays fall throughout the weekday. So I know that some people, especially for the ones that are like in school, and yeah, for the ones that are in school, and also for the people that work Monday through Friday, some Monday through Saturday, are gonna celebrate during the weekend. So if you're gonna celebrate during the weekend, let me know what you're gonna do. You don't tell me everything, just some stuff. Keep it clean now. Keep it clean. Yo, these candy yams taste like a sweet potato pie. It really does. Y'all have to excuse me sometimes, y'all. I know I try to offer y'all some. Take another bite, baby. It's just that good. It tastes just like the pie. Pretty good. Now I am going to get to the meat, hopefully. But you know, when I'm eating, I mostly get sides with a little meat. I've always been like that. Do y'all mix y'all food when y'all have sides? Like, for instance, I have the rice, macaroni, and sweet candy yams. Would you mix them together and eat them? I have an aunt. It doesn't matter what she has, she always mix her sides together. And her reasoning is because it's all going down the same way, quote unquote. Yo. I don't understand how she can even get the flavor of each one. If you were to mix this, the candy yams would definitely take over because they're so sweet and candied. Here, y'all, get some more. Get some more, baby. And the macaroni is boxed macaroni, so, you know. Yeah, I noticed that while I'm editing, I noticed that when I get ready to wipe my mouth, I'm like, it seems like as if I'm scrubbing my face or wiping my entire face, but I promise I'm not. I'm trying to get better at that for y'all. Oh, that's good. Excuse me. All right, y'all, let me taste this meat. Y'all want the first bite? I can't pick it up, y'all. It's hot, so. Ooh. Baby. Burning my finger. Okay, going down now. Yeah. The ranch that's on that in the gravy as well as on the meat. Oh, excuse me. You can definitely taste that. Yeah, rodeo season is almost here in Houston. Rodeo season is almost here, and you know I can't wait. Now, some of you are probably like, well, Key, why can't you wait for rodeo season? I know some people are waiting on Cardi B to come here March 1st, but no. Every year, I go to the carnival. I want to say it's like a tradition to me, or for me. Every year I go to the carnival, and I order the same thing. Nothing is new. I always get a chili cheese fry basket with double the cheese, and I either get a Coke or a Sprite. A bottle, not the can. Now, you know you're going to spend some money just by going to the carnival, but I get that every year. My meal was so predictable every year growing up. My mom didn't even have to ask me what I wanted because she knew. The only thing she did have to ask me was what I wanted to drink. My question of the day is, what is your favorite carnival food? That's what I want to know. What's your favorite carnival food? I asked because my mom, it doesn't have to be the big carnival. It can be the mini carnival. She wants to have the candy apples, and she also get them from the big carnival. Now, I have a friend who she likes the funnel cakes. I've never had a funnel cake. What does it taste like? Is it like bread with powdered sugar? Is it like a donut? Something like that? I don't know. I'm guessing they make them fresh, but and some people put, I've seen on like the food shows, I can never catch it when they're making it. But I always catch it when they're eating it. They put fruits on them, mostly strawberries. I'm guessing you can put any kind of fruit on it. Or can you eat it savory as well? I don't know. Yeah. I want to try it, but when I would see them, like when I go to the carnival, I never see like the mini funnel cakes. I always see the big ones, and it's basically going to be a waste. So, I don't know. I'll try it. Maybe, you know what? I think I'm actually going to go ahead and try it this year. Just to see how it tastes. Okay. Let's get some more meat. And to tell you the truth, when I go to the carnival, I do not go for the rides. I go in, I walk around, listen to the music that they're playing, and then finally I get an appetite. I'm telling y'all the truth now. I get an appetite, and then I go and get my chili cheese fries with a Coke or a Sprite. And now they have this truck. I don't know if it's going to be in Houston this year, but they have this truck. They have different trucks where you can get like the crickets and scorpions and all of that. Do you go to that truck? That's absolutely a no-no for Key. Some things are a definite no. Yeah. I don't want no scorpion and no snake and And it's really a scorpion because I seen it on the news last year. But I didn't see that truck or vendor. Then too, it's so many different things and trucks and all that you can stop at. Maybe I just didn't pay attention. Maybe I was just skimming until I found a truck that sold the chili cheese fries. But yes, Cardi B will be performing at the Houston Rodeo this year on March 1st. And I will not be purchasing a ticket for it. Yes, I know I just said in the last video or 2 videos ago that I was Team Cardi, and I am. However, You know, my thing is, if I'm going to purchase a ticket, it needs to be exclusive, meaning no one else can see it unless you are there to experience it yourself. However, it's not like that at the rodeo. So for the people that have purchased a ticket, and that's my friend on my personal Facebook page, I'm pretty sure they're going to go live. And when they go live, I'll be able to see it. Then there's YouTube. I can catch it up on YouTube. Y'all. I know you're like, Key, it's nothing like being there in person. And you're probably right. You're probably right. But it's not like as if I'm going to have the best seat. So, Facebook is the next best thing. When someone else decides to go live. Why do you think I've never purchased a Beyonce concert ticket? That's good. My rent money will not be going on a ticket, okay? I'm just saying. And it's tax season. Y'all know she waiting to drop a date for her. Y'all, let me stop. I don't have nothing against Beyonce. I'm actually a fan. I'm not a part of the Beehive. Ridiculous. That's like a cult. No, thank you. No, thank you. Speaking of Beehive, do you watch The Masked Singer? Hosted by Nick Cannon. And they have like Robin Thicke and Ken and Natalie and the other lady that's married to the guy on NYPD Blue. Y'all forgive me. I know that's not her name. But that's the only, I can't think of her name right now. So I'm just describing her and who her husband is. So anywho, on, oh, excuse me. Okay, soda come through. On The Masked Singer, they have these different singers or actresses who are masked, so you can't really tell who they are. No one knows who they are, not even the cast members, or cast contestants. And the contestants. And on there they have the bumblebee. Now y'all, the bumblebee look fine as wine, okay? I'm trying to tell you. However, with the boys, they were thinking that the bumblebee was either Tina Turner, Gladys Knight, or Patti LaBelle. Now, I did think the very first time I heard the bumblebee, I thought it was Patti LaBelle, but last night, I think the bumblebee is Gladys Knight. I'm trying to tell you. Now, the bee, or as Nick called her, Queen Bee, she going all the way to the finals, but I don't remember who she is, because Latoya Jackson, she was the alien, and she was voted off yesterday. But yeah, if you watch that, let me know who you think the bee is. It's called The Masked Singer. Oh, this was good. I think I maybe ate half. I know I ate half my rice. Okay, half of everything except for the, I already told you I was going to eat half or most of everything except for the meat. Soda, you know that's about to be gone. Oh, that was really good. Shout out to my mom for cooking this amazing meal because she knew that her daughter was hungry. Y'all, we be really vibing on here. Oof. This food was good. I'm glad that y'all was able to experience the candy yams just like I did. They was good one night. I know they was. All right, y'all. I don't want to hold y'all up too much longer. So thank you so much for tuning in to Key Can Eat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with anybody and everybody. I'm Key. I'm out. Bye, y'all.